Welcome back. Two people were arrested after a crane crash that killed a worker and injured 6 others at the Pachepa College Metro Rail work site yesterday. Site manager of L&T Kanagaraj and site manager of SUCG Rajesh were arrested for alleged negligence. The accident happened at around 8 p.m. when the boom of a crane, which was hauling a 25-ton metal reinforcement mesh, twisted under the load and broke. The boom and the load crashed down on the workers. Moving on, Tamil Nadu Governor K. Rosaya called on the ailing Union Science and Technology Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh. The governor visited the Global Hospital and inquired about the minister's health. Meanwhile, Deshmukh's condition is still critical and is under observation. Deshmukh, who is 67, is on life support system. He was brought to the hospital on Monday evening from Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai in an air ambulance. To ensure that the Pro-Elam Forum TESO conference to be held in August remains apolitical, its founder and DMK chief M. Karunanidhi directed his party men to refrain from any activity that will give the meet a political gloss. Further, it categorically mentioned that slogans about other parties should also not be raised. The first meet of the Tamil Elam Supporters Organization, revived by Karunanidhi recently, will be held on Sunday with several leaders including Union Minister Sharad Pawar and Farooq Abdullah, besides some Sri Lankan Tamil leaders as well. Unlike the trickle when Team Anna began its hunger strike 2 weeks ago, 15,000 people have gathered at the Ramlila ground in Delhi on the first day of Baba Ramdev's camp, establishing the Yoga Guru's star power. The crowd is largely rural and many people have arrived with bags of clothes and other daily necessities as we prepare to set up a camp for a few days. Indian flags are being waved with big Ramdev posters all over the ground.
न आमरण अनशन, न अनिश्चितकालीन अनशन। अब यहां आंदोलन के पहले चरण की घोषणा कर रहा हूं। पहला आंदोलन के तौर पर, अब क्योंकि आज का पहला दिन है, आंदोलन के तौर पर यह पहला, और भाई अब यूं बार बार हिंदुस्तान को यूं वीरान करने से फायदा नहीं। कब तक सड़कों पर ऐसे उतरते रहेंगे? अब ये हम अंतिम मौका केंद्र सरकार को देना चाहते हैं। 3 दिन तक हम यहाँ भूखे प्यासे बैठे रहेंगे, रामलीला मैदान में ही डटे रहेंगे। ये आंदोलन किसी व्यक्ति या पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं है। और जैसे भाई हरिओम पवार जी ने कहा, केंद्र सरकार जो काले धन, भ्रष्टाचार और व्यवस्था परिवर्तन की हमारी मांग है उनको मान ले, तो हम पूरे हिंदुस्तान के सामने उनका सम्मान करने के लिए तैयार।
Taking an apparent dig at the Yoga Guru's second agitation at Ramlila grounds, Law Minister Salman Khurshid said that Ramlila is performed every other year.
This is a democracy, and a democracy plays itself out in many ways. Ramlila is a place where the Leela is performed, and the script of the Leela can change, but in a democracy, everyone has their own way of interpreting and expressing themselves.
Meanwhile, Minister of the ruling Congress Party, P.L. Punia, said that the campaign is a publicity gimmick and clearly showcased their intention of entering politics.
तो जनता के सामने है, आप भी देख रहे हैं, हम भी देख रहे हैं कि इनका मकसद कोई जनता का हित नहीं है, केवल और केवल अपने आप को महिमा मंडित करना है और जनता के साथ खिलवाड़ करना है। जनता को इनकी अब इनको लग रहा है कि राजनीति में ही आना चाहिए। पहले भी इन्होंने घोषणा की थी, अभी भी घोषणा करेंगे राजनीति में जाएंगे, तो उसी के एक ग्राउंड बना रहे हैं, उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं।
The indefinite agitation of India's Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev began on a controversial note, as politicians slammed Ramdev for a poster placed at the campaign site which shows his jailed aide Balakrishna's photo along with several freedom fighters.
ये कहीं न कहीं आयोजकों की चूक हो सकती है और इस चूक को तत्काल ठीक करने की जरूरत है और ऐसी आंदोलन में किसी तरह का महापुरुषों का, क्रांतिकारियों का जिन लोगों ने देश के लिए कुर्बानी दी है उन शहीदों का अपमान किसी भी रूप में नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका भी ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है। अदरवाइज इससे आंदोलन का जो फोकस है वो कहीं ना कहीं डाइवर्ट होता है।
More news on the other side of a very short break. Stay with us.